How to add progress circles to Wix. So in order to add a progress circle to your Wix, what you can do is you can click onto this plus icon right here and then click onto this search and search in here for chart. So Wix have their own chart integrated into their system. So you can search for those from this part. The one we're looking for is called donut chart. Click onto this add the site option, then make sure to agree to their terms and condition in order to add it. Once it's been done, you should be able to have it installed into your site. Head over and then click on open. And you can have it right here. Just make sure to input this and drag and drop this into your page in order to put it right here. So this donut chart can actually help us create progress circles as well as pie charts. Input right here the actual donut chart and then just click on this chart settings in order to change the data added. Onto the settings that will open right here. You can change out the data added right here. You can click on this change partition data in order to make it an actual progress circle that you can use for your site. So that's how you add progress circles to Wix. Hope we helped.